들어서 손주며느리 아까우시죠?
아 시원해.
먹어야 뭐 좋지냐.
You think it's Good morning, everyone. It's a very nice day. But today I decided to take the day off and just be at home and relax. But I also have a lot of work. I'm never just sitting down doing nothing. Even if I'm watching TV, I'm working or answering emails or whatever it is I'm doing. Anyways, today I am just gonna make Korean food at home all day. So we're gonna make breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Today's video is sponsored by KFood. So they sent me a bunch of groceries. Like I've been getting it all week. I have made some short form videos on it, which you guys might have seen. Check out those recipes, check out those videos because it was so much fun making it and everything tasted amazing. I swear to God. Normally for breakfast, I usually don't eat over the top. I'm not starving at like 9 a.m. in the morning unless I went to go work out, which today I didn't. So today I'm gonna be making a hard-boiled egg, which is my normal go-to breakfast. For my drink, I'm gonna be having misugaru. Make one for my husband. This is a very nostalgic drink to me because my grandma used to make it in the summertime in this like big bowl and add a lot of sugar and a lot of ice cubes, and she would just pour them into little cups and hand it out to everyone. And you can add honey or sugar and milk or whatever, water, whatever you want. I'm gonna be adding some milk today. Do you want some misugaru, Jinho? I feel like maple syrup would work well in this, honey would work well in this, but I'm gonna use some allulose. Oh my.
Really good.
Smells like creamy, like peanut buttery.
A bit more. A bit more. Thank
Got
you
it all.
for saying that.
Lunchtime! I decided to make bibimbap for lunch because it feels like a bibimbap kind of day. Also, it looks like it's about to rain. If it does, I have a feeling I'm gonna want ramen. So let's see if we do bibimbap and ramen or just bibimbap. I guess I can make some 콩나물국 too, so I don't have to eat ramen. But right now I'm just washing some rice. You guys are probably like, what are you doing? I'm doing a combination of white rice and brown rice and farro. Okay, now I'm about to make some banchan. Basically, that's what bibimbap is. It's a bunch of banchan that you just throw on top of rice with egg and gochujang, some sesame oil, and you mix it up and eat it. KFood sent me is a Jeju dried gosari. I pre-made in a way the gosari last night. I washed it like about 3 times and I had it pre-soaked in some water to allow the gosari absorb the water. Jeju dried gosari. It's a type of fern, which is a plant. I love gosari and I think gosari kind of has like a meat taste to it. Then the next morning I wash it like about 2 more times. Look at the watercolor on this. Throw away the water, get clean water, and go ahead and boil it on about medium heat. I boiled it for about like an hour-ish. Basically, you just want to cook it until it gets to this texture where it feels like it's like almost mushy. After that, strain it and rinse it again thoroughly. And that's it. You get to enjoy it at this point. Make sure all the moisture is out. I had it strained for about 30 minutes. I think it's good now. And then we'll go ahead and season it along with make our other banchan. Okay, so we have a guksu. We'll add a little bit of soy sauce, some sesame oil, and a little bit of salt. And guksu is done. Need that much. The rest I will go ahead and store it in the fridge. This is my grandma's gochujang that she makes. That's what it looks like. Just gonna lift up the egg. Gochujang there. Drizzle. A little bit of sauce. And we're done. Oh my.
그래도 나는 깨끼를 2개만 사오던. 이어서 손주며느리 아까우시죠?
아, 시원해.
애순이 가자. 키워봐. 엄마 무슨 붙었으면 뭐.
My rice and make some more frozen rice. Okay, let's put this in the freezer. Dinner today will be janchi guksu, and I'll use some of the toppings that I had made for the bibimbap, like the banchan. I'll add that on top, but we will use this to make the stock. Probably use like 4 of them for the noodles. This noodle, I realized that we haven't really been eating protein today. Like for lunch, it's just egg. Morning was an egg. That's it. So I decided to grill some beef to add on top. I got this from Costco the other day. Making and stir-frying some of this separately and just adding it on top as a topping. So, started. This is not even boiling yet, but I'm just gonna go ahead and add in the stock. this little tablet. We'll just let that heat up. This will be our sauce if we need more. Oh, it's going crazy outside right now. I'm scared.
나한테 물질하지 마라. 심어 달지 마라 했는데.
검해가지고.